So I'm going to write this as f of g of h of x because I like that notation better. And so I'm going to find h of x and plug that into g first. So h of x, I'm going to put that in to g. So this f is just going to chill, and this goes in for the x's and those, so it'll be 1 minus 1 plus root x squared. Excellent. Do I want to simplify that? Maybe. Or maybe I'll just plug that into f now. So if I put this into f, I'll have the square root of 1 minus this whole thing. So 1 minus 1 plus root x squared. Excellent. And we'll simplify this, right? So this is the square root of 1, let's see, the 1 minus 1 will go away, and then the minus minus will make a plus, so I basically just have 1 plus root x. Oh, that is quite nice. I'm glad I didn't FOIL it out earlier. 1 plus root x squared, which is going to just be 1 plus root x. So that is my answer. I just have to do a little bit of domain issues. So we have domain issues from this guy. From the very final guy, I know that that inside has to be greater than or equal to 0. So far, I know that the domain has to be greater than or equal to 0 from that. Also, these inside functions have to exist. So h of x has to exist. So his domain is also x greater than or equal to 0. So he's good. And then g of h of x has to exist. So g of h of x was this thing, and this guy's domain is also just x greater than or equal to 0. There's nothing else funky happening there. Now, when we did this, I don't think there was anything funky going on here. So I'm getting x has to be greater than or equal to 0. Let me check to see what the book has. Oh, the book doesn't say the domain, but the book should say that x is greater than or equal to 0, and the final answer is 1 plus root x.